chapter 8 of section 3, wrath. Al-Adub. Sariu ila magfiratin min rabbikum wa jannatin arduha samawatu wal ardu uiddat lil muttaqin alladhina yunfiquna fi sarra'i wa dara'i wal kasimina al ghayza wal afina anin nasi wallahu yuhibbul muhsinin. O ye, Surah 3, ayat 133 to 134. Strive with one another for pardon from your Lord in a paradise as vast as the heavens and the earth, prepared for those who fear God, who are not niggard with their wealth. Stingy sounds like something else, so we kind of don't want to use that term, even though it has nothing to do with that. Whether in adversity or in prosperity, those who repress their wrath and forgive those who have offended them, God loves the righteous. And forgive those people who have offended them. Okay.